Hey Heartbreakers, it's Chrissy and Elisa here with Heartcore. Today we're going over teaser. It's the first move in our oblique series. Elisa, do you have anything to add?
It is a really easy exercise to do it correctly. I know, speaking from experience, I did teaser wrong. I mean, I want to say the first 3 years of the workout.
Yeah.
So we're not going to have you doing that. You're going to get it right away after this video, and you'll be able to come to class and absolutely crush it. Okay, so in the teaser, Chrissy's going to have her hands on the top handlebars, and she's going to be crossing her right foot over her left to have her right oblique fire and work in the teaser. So Chrissy's going to be lowering her right hip towards the floor, and she's keeping her upper body completely stable the entire time, and then she's driving her heels in towards the front platform along the carriage to access that right oblique. And she wants to make sure that her elbows are pulled in towards the side of her torso, so that way she can fire her lats, which then connect to the oblique. So elbows pull in like that. So let's talk about some of the things that we see done incorrectly in the teaser. So something we'll see the elbows like really coming out right there. Again, if we're here with the elbows out, it's all number trap, so she wants to pull those elbows in. Now we're in those lats, those huge back muscles. And then also too, we see like the wrist. We'll see a break from the wrist to the hand right here, so we want to keep the wrist to the hand one line like that, rolling the knuckles down. And Chrissy, what else do we see?
Okay, so we will see shoulders move back and forth instead of the lower body moving back and forth. So remember for the teaser that you keep your upper body over the front platform. It does not move at all. So keep it really stable and the lower body just moves. We also see legs not stay straight. So we want to make sure that we don't bend those knees in and out. So keep the thighs pressed together and keep those legs really straight. And keep those heels pressed down. Another thing we'll see is heels lift. And we don't want to do that for this movement. We want to keep those heels down. And then you just slowly slide the carriage out and in. Heartbreaker, thank you so much for watching our video about teaser. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, Elisa, or one of our other awesome instructors.
And we'll catch you next week for scrambled eggs.